Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the tutorial on how to format your brand new, this is the either SATA hard drive or this one is the SSD. So you would require to use a special adapter converter, and this is connecting to your USB port, and then so you could connect your SATA connection for your hard drive, either your SATA hard drive or your SSD, which is a solid state drive. Solid state drive is much faster compared to the SATA hard drive. Okay, this one is a SanDisk Z400S. So as you can see, I'm going to open it up this utility in order to delete the hard drive first, and then give it and then format it. Okay, because when you plug this one into your MacBook, most likely you're probably not gonna recognize it. Well, it does right now, but you gotta label it and format correct way. If you don't do it right, then most likely your hard drive, the new one, is gonna crash. So as you can see, I select this hard drive, which is the brand new one. The top one is your original disk. So the one I'm looking at, it says SSD SATA. So just give it a name, and then the format you want to make sure you just make also extended journal. So I'm just giving a name for SSD 256 gigabyte as a name. So you can name whatever you want. Alright, so make sure it's journaled, and then after that you want to go ahead and then click on erase. Be sure not to erase your original one. Okay, as you can see, automatically pop up to the original one, which is this is the original disk. So be sure do not erase your original disk. Okay, the bottom one is the new one, the new hard drive. So now you give it option if you want to use this to back it up your time machine or not. So you decide later, and then just click on done. That's it. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification, and share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on video. Alright, thank you for watching, and peace out, guys.